Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to increase a person's height in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my image here. Press Command J or Ctrl J to duplicate it. Now let's zoom in a little bit. So something like this is okay for me. Right click here and select the object selection tool. Now let's make a selection of Kevin Hart. Now that the selection is made, right click here and select the quick selection tool. Now let's refine our selection. So I'll go with something like this. Let me work on the ear. Nice. So with the selection done, press the Command J or Ctrl J to cut out the subject. Now when I turn off the visibility of these layers, you see that this is our cutout subject over here. Now let me turn on the visibility back. Once I'm done, select this side to turn off the visibility of the cutout layer. Select this layer, hold down the Command key or the Control key and left click here once to activate the selection around our subject. With the selection active, go to Select, Modify and select Expand. Over here, let's give it an expand value of 5. So this is how an expand value of 5 results looks like. Now hold down the Shift key and hit the backspace key. When this menu pops up, make sure that the under content is set to content aware, and then everything here has to be default, and click on OK. Nice. So with this done, to deselect our selection, just press Command D to deselect or Control D to deselect. Let's turn the visibility of our cutout subject back on. Select our cutout layer, right click and then convert it to Smart Object. Now press Command T or Control T. Make sure that this side is checked. If yours isn't checked, just click on it and then make sure it's at the center. Now hold down the Shift key and let's drag this anchor point down. So something like this is okay. And then just resize the image. So let's go with something like this. Nice. Okay guys, so this is how to increase the height of a person in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.